Jay Sean,
202
Nicki Minaj.
From Bulacan Polytechnic College under the course of Computer and Hardware Servicing. Now, I will show you how to disassemble and assemble the system unit. First thing to do is to shut down the computer. Just wait for a while. After shutting down the computer, we need to unplug it just for our safety. And don't forget the anti-static wrist strap. Now, I will show you how to disassemble the computer. First, remove the system unit case, unscrew it. After that, connect the anti-static wrist strap anywhere in the case of your system unit. Okay, after that, remove all the wires including the IDE. Be careful on pulling all the wires. This is the IDE cable, or what we call the integrated drive electronics. The function of it is a standard electronic interface used between a computer motherboard's data path or bus and the computer's disk storage devices. Then, remove power supply. This is the power supply, a device that supplies electrical energy to one or more electronic devices. Put it there. After removing a power supply, unscrew the video card or If there is other expansion cards in the board, remove all of that. Be careful of pulling it. Just check out if there is a lock in the IDE, EGP. This is what you call the video card. This is an expansion card who generate output images to a display. After removing the video card, unscrew the CD-ROM and the hard disk, and the floppy disk drive. Just be careful by removing them. This is the hard disk or the hard disk drive. This is a non-volatile random access digital data storage device. It features rotating rigid platters and a motor-driven spindle within a protective enclosure. And after that, remove the RAM, or what we call the random access memory. That's what you call the RAM. After removing that, finally, remove the heatsink as well as the CPU. Be careful in removing this because this is one of the most important part. Just take a look. The CPU connector, it is connected. Okay. This is the CPU fan as well with the heatsink. It helps the CPU to keep cool. Okay. And be careful pulling out the CPU. Okay. This is the CPU. CPU is the computer processing unit. Central processing unit. This is what we call the brain of the computer. Be careful on handling it. Okay. Now we are done on disassembling a system unit. Now we are trying to assemble it on how we saw it on its original display. First thing to do on assembling is putting back the CPU as well as the CPU fan and the heatsink. Be sure that you put it back in its original. After putting that CPU, or what we call the central processing unit, You will put the CPU fan with the heat